How to add music to Messenger story from iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now over here you will find the option of create story. Click on it. With that your gallery will open up. Now you can select the picture or video that you want to upload along with the music. After you select the picture, at the right corner you're gonna find different icons. Click on this icon, music. Now from here you can select any of the music to add to your story, or also you can search for the music. At the top you will see the search box. After you have selected the music, you'll see this icon over here. By scrolling right and left you can select the particular part of the music. Likewise over here you will find different template options. You can choose the template. Once you are done, click on done. Now you can place this template and post the story. It's in the process to be uploaded. So this is how you can add music to Messenger story from iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.